Okay, so here's a think, pair, share example for you to test whether you're understanding the process involved. So in this think, pair, share, um, this should be your two solutions to this absolute value equation. So give that a try and go ahead and pause the video. And when you resume, we can look at the solution. All right, go ahead and pause. Okay, you're back. So let's take a look at this solution. All right, so we've got 2 times the absolute value of x minus 7 plus 5 equals 9. So I've just rewritten the equation here. So the first step, we want to isolate the absolute value. So first going to subtract 5 from both sides. And that helps, but we still have this 2 out in front. So we'll divide both sides by 2. And these 2's will cancel. And now we've got the absolute value isolated. So now we can go ahead and break this up into 2 equations without the absolute value sign, remembering that we have to set one equal to a positive and the other one to a negative on the side opposite the absolute value expression. And if we solve this one equation here on the left, this is where we get x equals 9. And if we solve the second equation here on the right, then we get x equals 5. And we can check our answers. So if we put x equals 9 into our original equation, so where there's an x, we substitute a 9 in its place. And what we find is that, we end up with a true statement. Okay, 9 equals 9. When we do the same thing with x equals 5, we put 5 in place of x. And this generates a -2 inside of the absolute value. And the absolute value of a -2 is a +2. So this gives us 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. And so we end up with 9 equals 9, which is also a true statement. So that confirms that our two solutions of x equals 9 and x equals 5 work. Let me know if you have any questions.